It seems like everyone is talking about the benefits of facial massage right now. These massaging methods are all the rage in the skincare world, whether you're looking for just a little extra self-care or to visibly improve skin. Today, I'll be sharing 2 products that you can use to take your at-home facial massage to the next level. First up is the newly launched limited edition Rose Quartz Roller. This beauty is free with the purchase of the Time-Wise Repair Advanced Lifting Serum, or the Time-Wise Replenishing Serum C plus E. The cooling tool helps with product application to make the most out of your facial serum of oil. It's also super relaxing. I feel like I'm getting an at-home spa treatment. To use the roller, go ahead and apply your serum as you normally would, in an upward and outward motion until your full face is covered. Then take the roller and gently roll outwards across the cheeks. Then you can move to the forehead and roll upwards away from your eyebrows. And finally, roll down on the chin. Be sure to clean your roller after each use. You can also use the Rose Quartz Roller on top of the Time-Wise Repair Lifting Biocellulose Mask to take your self-care to the next level. A serum paired with the pink roller is such an adorable gift for the skincare lover in your life. You will definitely want to contact your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant fast to get this one before it's gone. The second tool I want to share is the Skinvigorate Sonic Skincare System, paired with the facial massage head. It can help with the absorption of serums and oils, and it helps relieve facial tension. With more than 24,000 sonic-powered micromassages per session, this oscillating head promotes microcirculation to help bring oxygen and nutrients to the skin. With regular use, some women reported that their face and neck appeared tightened and toned, and puffiness appeared reduced. Plus, the detachable head allows you to pop on the cleansing brush head, which thoroughly cleans skin and removes makeup 85% better than hand cleansing alone. Contact your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant to learn more about these must-have tools and see the benefits of facial massage for yourself. Don't have a beauty consultant yet? It's super easy to find one near you on marykay.com. Just click the link in the description below.